Welcome everyone to a new session of our STEP webinar.
Dr. Peter Watkins, Associate Professor at the University of Portsmouth, co-author of the Shelta Course and a leading voice in language teaching and pedagogy, teaching and developing writing skills.
Why should we include collaborative writing activities when in real life we write individually? In class, writing can be slow and boring and learners turn off. If they work collaboratively, there is also a chance to speak and share ideas and be creative and co-create ideas. Weak writers, if they're working in a group with a stronger writer, even if all they really do is watch that writer write and read what they write, may well be beneficial to them, so they may learn from each other.
Peter Hawley, with over 40 years of worldwide ELT experience, Peter Hawley is a global trainer, blending language education with real-world sustainability. Lifelong learning. What's your professional development plan?
But again, right at the top there is having a lifelong learning mindset. And again, that really reinforces where I'm coming from and where I hope we're all going on our journey with English as a foreign language teaching.
Dr. Al-Said Rashad, Cambridge examiner at the British Council in Saudi Arabia, CELTA trainer at Cambridge University. Phases of professional development. A step-by-step process.
You all agree that professional development is important. Why? The field of ELT is subject to change. Every day there is something new. So we need to cope up with it and we need to be updated to be able to face the challenges teachers have every day with the learners in the classroom. To be able to solve problems inside the classroom or problems with the learners. To feel more confident and to have less stress because knowledge is power.
Join STEP today and take your teaching to new heights.